Yeah, so hello. Here I have a Toolmaker's microscope, and this is the small one from Zeiss. The catalog is from 1951. Altogether, it's in an excellent condition. Yeah, and I'm going to show that. So this is comes with the inclinable eyepiece. There are different versions. So here's the catalog with the data. This is with straight, but we this one comes with this eyepiece with the inclination, and you have this one also have the cross slide. So it means you can do the measurement in this direction, but also in this direction. There's a round table with a measurement here, so you can do angle measurements. Here there's a 7 times magnification. Here right now there's the Carl Zeiss 8 times ocular in the machine, and it comes with the second one, which is 3 times. So when this one is installed, 3 times together with the 7 times gives 21 times magnification, and now the 8 times is installed together with the 7 times give a total of 56 magnification. This is in millimeters, so the graduation here is 1/100 of a millimeter, and one complete circle is 1 millimeter. And yeah, it's very tight. It feels, the whole machine looks like it is almost never used. It comes also with this glass in a box, and yeah, it's some kind of calibration piece, but I don't know how that works. But it was in the box. So here's the date, 1951. Prices will be in here in German D-Mark, likely. And this is all the the order list with the different possibilities. This is the maximum measurement, 50 millimeter. Yeah, accuracy, or the graduation, 100 in this direction, and the other direction is also 100. 1 degree on the here, and on the Nonius you can do 6 minutes. Yeah. And yeah, here's the high adjustment. Let's see if I can get an image through the lens here. Yeah. So there's the crosshairs, and now we are looking at one letter on the glass plate with 56 magnification. Yeah, it comes in a box, but from the box the lock is gone and is damaged here, so the box could use some attention. There's absolutely no play. Looks like there's a spring loaded. Also in this direction, no any play. So in this case, the original catalog is included. And yeah, the beauty about this tool is that it is light, so you can just take it with your hands and put it in the cabinet. Yeah, I hope this will make somebody really happy, and thank you for watching.